Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into the exact Google account that holds your backup. This step links data to your device. Once signed in, install or update Google Drive and Gmail from the App Store so the restore tools are available. Make sure Wi-Fi is active and the iPhone is charging. Large restores stall on cellular. If two-factor is on, have your verification method nearby. It prevents auth errors and speeds the next steps. Now, open Google Drive and tap the menu, then Backups, because that's where device snapshots live. You'll see backups listed by device name and date. Choose the one you need, paying attention to size and timestamp so you restore the correct set. Tap Restore and accept any permission prompts. Contacts, calendar, and files require access to merge. Once done, Drive will pull cloud data into the iPhone. Make sure you stay on Wi-Fi while it completes. Finish by checking Contacts, Calendar, Gmail, and Drive for restored items. Some apps need manual resync. Once you confirm, restart the iPhone and go to Settings to force account sync if items are missing. If anything fails, re-authenticate the Google account. Revoke and grant permissions in Account Settings, then retry the restore. This fixes token or permission problems quickly. Make sure to keep Wi-Fi connected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.